Have you ever bought something on Amazon from beyond page 50? Probably not, and that's because most shoppers find what they need on the first couple of pages. Well, studies show that 75% of Amazon sales happen on the first page of search results. That's right, the majority of shoppers find what they need without even scrolling further. Welcome to Seller Universe, your all-in-one platform for online selling success. In today's video, we're going to explore a powerful strategy to rank high on Amazon's product search results: pay-per-click PPC advertising. So let's dive into the world of PPC and learn how to pay to win and rank high on Amazon search results. Let's get started. When you launch a new product on Amazon, it's unlikely to show up on the first page of search results right away. It might be hidden within the last few pages depending on the size of your current following and how well you optimize your product description. So, why is this the case? It all comes down to how Amazon ranks its listings. The primary factor that determines ranking is daily sales velocity. In other words, the first pages are reserved for the best sellers, the products that consistently generate high sales numbers. So what can you do to cheat your way to the top? The answer is simple: pay-per-click PPC advertising. It's not cheating, it's a legitimate method recommended by Amazon. So how does PPC work? Well, with PPC, you have the opportunity to create ads that appear on the first page of search results. But here's the twist. Instead of blending in with the typical listings, Amazon will showcase your products as sponsored listings. These sponsored listings are strategically placed at the top, middle, and bottom of the search results page, as well as on relevant listing pages. The higher your products appear on the first page, the more likely they are to sell. But how does it work? Let's find out. How do we make Amazon place your ads in those prime spots? It all starts with understanding how buyers search for products on Amazon. Just like when we search for information on Google, most buyers don't have the time to scan through every page of Amazon. Instead, they use keywords to search for the products they want. As a seller, your goal is to have your products appear on the first page of search results when buyers use those keywords. However, with limited space available, not every product can make it to the first page. So what does Amazon do to select which products appear on the first page? Well, they use a combination of organic placement and auctioning off slots. Amazon prioritizes bestsellers through organic placement. This means that products with a high daily sales velocity and positive customer reviews are more likely to appear on the first page. But what if you're new to Amazon and your listings have zero daily sales velocity? That's where the auctioned slots come into play. If you want to catapult your listings to the top of search results, your only option is to bid on these auctioned slots. And that's where PPC advertising becomes essential. So how do you use PPC advertising to get your products noticed? It all comes down to two simple steps: bidding on keywords and creating ad or PPC campaigns. How do you get a list of relevant keywords to bid on? To increase your chances of appearing on the first page, you need to bid on relevant keyword. Well, there are three ways to go about it. Manual research. While this method saves you money, it may not produce reliable results. Manual research has limitations when it comes to analyzing massive amounts of data, making it challenging to create a comprehensive keyword list. Free keyword research tools. Utilize free keyword research tools like Sonar or Google Trends. These tools can be helpful, especially if you're a new seller looking to minimize operational costs. However, keep in mind that they may not provide enough depth and accuracy in the long run. Paid keyword research tools. Consider investing in paid keyword research tools like Keyword Scout or Magnet. These tools offer more advanced features and data analysis capabilities, allowing you to compete with big brands in your niche or category. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating a keyword list. Step 1. Choose a seed keyword. Start by selecting a seed keyword that best describes your niche or product. For example, if you're selling tennis rackets, your seed keyword could be tennis racket. Step 2, run a search and sort by search volume. Use your chosen keyword research tool to run a search using your seed keyword. Sort the results by search volume, starting from the highest to the lowest. Step 3, export and open the data in a spreadsheet program like MS Excel or Google Sheets. Step 4, combine with competitor keywords. Identify your top competitors, including bestsellers, Amazon's Choice, and top 3 to 5 listings. Copy their ASINs and run them through your keyword research tool. This will reveal the keywords they are using on their organically ranked listings. Step 5. Combine and organize the list. Combine the list into a single file, removing unnecessary columns and duplicate and irrelevant keywords. Keep only the keyword and search volume columns. This will give you a well-organized keyword list. Step 6. Narrow down your list. Narrow down your list further by removing keywords with low search volume, typically less than 1,000 monthly searches. Categorize the remaining keywords into main and relevant keywords. This well-organized keyword list will help you experiment with different PPC strategies. Now that you have your keyword list, it's time to create your PPC campaigns. Amazon provides well-defined and easy-to-follow procedures for setting up these campaigns. Step 1. Understand keyword matching types. There are 3 types of keywords you can bid on to match your PPC campaigns: exact, broad, and phrase. Exact match allows your ads to show up only in searches that use the exact same keyword. Broad match allows your ads to show up in searches that use related and synonymous keywords. Phrase match falls under the broad match type and includes keywords with affixes. Amazon allows you to use all keyword matching types to optimize your PPC campaigns. However, for efficiency, it's recommended to focus on exact and broad keyword matches. This will save you time and resources. Step 2. Set up your PPC campaign. To get started, log in to your Amazon seller account. Hover over the Advertising tab on the menu and click on Campaign Manager. From there, select Sponsored Products. The first PPC campaign we'll create is an exact match campaign, focusing on the keywords from your main keyword list. Name your ad group. Choose a name that clearly identifies your campaign to avoid confusion in the future. Next, select your targeting method. For this campaign, we recommend using manual targeting, and under that, keyword targeting. Click on Enter List under Keyword Targeting. Since this is an exact match campaign, make sure to deselect Broad and Phrase option. Now head over to your keyword list sheet and copy all the main keywords you want to target. Paste them into the box provided in your PPC campaign setup and click Add Keywords. Next to this box, you'll see Amazon's default suggested bids for the keywords you've added. Step 3. Choose a campaign bidding strategy. Scroll down in your campaign setup and you'll see 2 choices: dynamic bids and fixed bids. The bidding strategy you choose will depend on how aggressively you want to compete. Dynamic bids up and down is the most aggressive strategy. With this option, you allow Amazon to adjust your bid depending on how the competition plays out. This can help you stay competitive and increase your chances of winning the top ad placement. Step 4. Choose a duration and set a daily budget. Decide how long you want your ads to run. It's recommended not to set an end date since you're paying per click, not per time. Next, set a daily budget that you can afford. However, keep in mind that setting a very low daily budget could work against you. Remember, Amazon wants you to spend more money on your ads. Since they only charge you when someone clicks on your ads, their decision to display your ads depends on how much you're willing to spend. If you set a daily budget of $100, Amazon's algorithms will do their best to show your ads to as many potential buyers as possible within that budget. Step 5. Create new campaigns. You can create up to 5 campaigns to expand your reach and increase your chances of success. Let's go through each campaign type and its setup. The second campaign is similar to the first one you created, but this time, you'll use relevant keywords instead of the main keywords. This allows you to target a broader range of search terms that are still relevant to your product. The third campaign should be a broad match campaign. Use the keyword master list or the list of all the keywords you've researched. Under the Keyword Targeting tab, uncheck the exact and phrase match options. This will enable your ads to appear for a wider range of search terms related to your keywords. For the fourth campaign, you'll use the keywords suggested by Amazon. Under Keyword Targeting, choose Suggested and uncheck Exact and Phrase. Set the daily budget for this campaign to an amount lower than the first 3 campaigns. The fifth campaign should be an automatic campaign. Here, you don't need to provide specific keywords. Just select the automatic campaign strategy, and Amazon's algorithms will determine the best keywords to target based on your product listing and other factors. Click Launch Campaign to start this automatic campaign. Important: avoid making frequent alterations to your campaigns. It's crucial to thoroughly check each campaign before launching it. Any changes should be made after several days once the system has gathered enough data to gauge the effectiveness of your campaigns. Start your Amazon PPC campaign today. For new Amazon sellers, PPC advertising is the surest way to successfully launch a product. Remember to allocate a separate budget for PPC in your business plan to make the most of this strategy. Thorough research is essential to avoid expensive mistakes when investing in PPC. Understanding its limits will help you decide when to use it and when to focus on organic optimization. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide to using Amazon PPC to rank high on product search results. By strategically bidding on keywords and setting up effective campaigns, you can increase your visibility and drive more sales on Amazon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Seller Universe for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.